Hi, it's Sam Ruisi here, and I'm excited to bring to market number 29 Satinwood Crescent here in the quiet new leaf estate of Bonnyrigg. Come, let's take a closer look. This property is perfect for growing families. It offers 2.6 metre high ceilings throughout, formal and casual living zones, an elegant gas kitchen which overlooks the child-friendly landscaped yard. Never been lived in before, this outstanding home comes with all the upgrades. It offers downlights and ducted air conditioning throughout, a fully tiled lower level and solid spotted gum timber flooring upstairs. But the location doesn't get any better than this. It's within walking distance to both Bonnyrigg High and public schools, with Bonnyrigg Plaza only 1 kilometre away. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the contract of sale, and all it needs is your signature. So I look forward to seeing you at the next open house, and always remember, selling is made easy when you sell with Sam Ruisi.